The regular T9 Mobile Hotspot is a loanable device that can allow anyone to access the internet from anywhere. This device is one of the many technologies that you can rent from the Mookini library at Hilo. The mobile hotspot will include the device itself, an instructions manual, and a power adapter. To get started, hold down on the power button on the bottom for a second or two, then the display will show a welcome text. If this does not occur, then you may want to open up the power adapter and charge the device for a bit. To charge the device, simply connect the mini USB to the port and the power adapter to a power source. Try powering on the device and see if a text appears. In order to connect the mobile hotspot, just cycle through the menus by tapping on the power button until you find the Wi-Fi name. The password will be in the next menu. Use a device of your choosing and find the Wi-Fi name in all discoverable networks. Your device may be different, but for this tutorial, we will be using a Dell laptop running Windows 10 to demonstrate. Once you're done with the mobile hotspot, power it off by holding down the power button for a few seconds until a goodbye text appears on the display. After that, put things back together like so.